Studying for a certification and downloaded a SSI exam file? This is a specialized examination file used for certification testing. I'm Evan Brooks, Certified Support Engineer, and I'll show you how to access and use these SSI exam files. Our ultimate goal is to simplify the process by leveraging the advanced capabilities of one SSI exam file inspection software that works reliably across numerous file types. SSI exam files are examination files used by specialized testing platforms typically associated with certification programs or training assessments. They contain exam questions, answer choices, time limits, scoring rules, and metadata for delivering structured examinations to candidates. SSI exam files use a proprietary structured format, storing examination questions, answer choices, correct answer keys, time limits, and scoring algorithms. The format may include encryption to prevent tampering and maintain examination security and integrity during delivery. The industry standard application for SSI exam is considered to be SSI examination software from SSI. The extraction process relies on algorithms not included in the Windows operating system. Windows shows only basic file facts, so deeper investigation requires the correct program. Let's verify the file's compatibility against known readers. Right-click the SSI exam file and select Open With. Test SSI examination software if it appears. If not, choose another program. Different software handles the SSI exam format uniquely. If the SSI exam file won't open, don't panic. The universal solution is coming. But first, the explanation. Here is the technical breakdown of why your system is rejecting the SSI exam file. First, opening with SSI Software. Install the original SSI examination software provided by your certification body or training organization. Launch the application and use File then Open or the import function to load the SSI exam file. The exam interface displays questions in a controlled testing environment. Next, contacting the issuer. If you don't have access to the SSI examination software, contact the certification or training organization that provided the file. They can guide you to the correct testing platform, provide credentials, or supply alternative formats for accessing exam content. Finally, verifying file integrity. Before attempting to open, ensure the SSI exam file is not corrupted by checking file size against the original transfer details. Re-download the file. If there are integrity concerns, then attempt to open in the designated examination software. If compatibility checks failed, it is likely because the file extension name is shared by different developers for unrelated formats, causing your PC to use the wrong reading language. Rather than guessing, you can try switching to a dedicated parsing engine that is built to identify file structures autonomously and may offer a better chance of opening stubborn formats. When even the specialized programs couldn't crack the file, the issue is beyond simple fixes. File Magic is the next step, a powerful universal program designed to read the hundreds of formats that frustrate Windows. Find it at filemagic.com. That was the final fix. If you love fast answers, please give this video a quick like.